You can build UML Activity Diagram directly inside Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs, and there are two ways to do it depending on how you plan to use the diagram. If you want a diagram that can be shared across multiple pages, start by clicking the plus icon on a node and select New Component Page. This creates a new diagram component under that node, and you'll be asked to choose the diagram type. Pick Activity Diagram, and the editor will open. Inside the editor, you can draw the diagram yourself or use the Create with AI option in the top right corner to generate a starting point. Just remember that using AI will replace anything already in the diagram. After the AI generates the initial flow, you can adjust it, add details, and continue modeling as needed. When everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner, then use the left arrow to return to your page. The activity diagram is now stored as a reusable component that you can insert anywhere in your knowledge base. To place it on a page, open that page in Edit mode, click Insert, choose Diagram, and select Import Existing. Pick your activity diagram, and it will be added instantly. If you don't need the diagram to be reused elsewhere, you can also create it directly inside a page. Go to Insert, choose Diagrams, and select Activity Diagram. The editor will open just like before, and you can build the diagram manually or generate it with AI. Save your work, close the editor, and the diagram will appear right inside the page.